Hi, good day. This is Miss LM and we're back again with another math video, and today we're going to talk about theorems on triangle inequalities, triangle inequality theorem number 3. Okay, so this is our third video about theorem on triangle inequalities. And for this video, this is our objectives. So first, we are going to determine whether it is possible to draw a triangle given the length of its sides. So next is to analyze the triangle inequality theorem number 3 and verify and solve for the length of the third side of the triangle. So let's begin with our first lesson objective. Determine whether it is possible to draw a triangle given the length of its sides. So we have here these sides and the measurements are 3, 6, and 2. Is it possible to make a triangle here? Or is it possible to draw a triangle here? What do you think? Upon looking at the figure or at the drawing, we cannot form a triangle. How about the second one? We have here 3, 3, and 6. Can we form a triangle here? Okay. So, again, we cannot form a triangle here. How about for this one? We have these sides, 4, 3, and 6. Can we form a triangle here? So, nakapag-draw ba tayo ng triangle dito? Okay. So, yes, we are able to form a triangle here. So, for another example about this objective, I will be putting a link down below at the description box dun sa isang video na nakita ko wherein pinakita niya using her material on what are the 3 possible cases when it comes to this theorem. So, makakapag-form nga kaya kapag ganito ang itsura, or this one, or this one. Alin nga ba dyan talaga ang makakapag-form ng triangle? So, click nyo lang po yung link na yon para ma-direct kayo dun sa video na yon. Okay? So, after that, go back at this video and then we're going to continue our discussion. Okay? Now that we know that there are different cases para malaman kung possible nga ba na makapag-draw ng triangle or hindi, punta na tayo mismo dun sa ating triangle inequality theorem number 3. Ano nga ba ang nilalaman ng theorem na ito? So sabi dito, the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So masasabi lang natin na makakapag-form tayo ng triangle if the sum of the length of any two sides. So pag pinag-add daw natin yung kahit alin dun sa dalawang side ng triangle, lagi itong greater than dun sa natitira or dun sa third side ng triangle. So for this example, triangle ABC, if we have side AB added to side AC, it should be greater than BC. Side AB plus BC, it should be greater than AC, and AC plus BC should be greater than AB para masabi na makakapag-form tayo ng triangle. So let's have some of the examples here. Is it possible to draw a triangle with sides of 9 cm, 12 cm, and 15 cm? 9, 12, and 15. So what we need to do is to add yung dalawa and then compare dun sa pangatlo. First is 9 plus 12. So is it greater than 15? Ayan. 9 plus 12 is 21. So, it is greater than 15. Yes. Next is 12 plus 15. So, yung two longer sides yung pinag-add. 12 plus 15, greater than ba siya sa 9? Yes, it is greater than. So, 27 is greater than 9. Then, the last one, 9 plus 15. So, yung shortest at yung longest pinag-add, kinumpare dun sa medium size na side. So, 9 plus 15 is 24. It is greater than 12, yes. So, therefore, it is possible to have a triangle of side lengths of 9 cm, 12 cm, and 15 cm. So, possible siya kasi lahat po ay greater than. Okay? Greater than yung sum of the two sides compared to the third side. How about this one? 25, 14, and 39. So, add natin yung two sides compared to the third side. 25 plus 39, is it greater than 14? So, ito yung inuna. And then, the answer is yes. Kasi 25 plus 39 is 64. Syempre, greater than talaga siya kay 14. And kung mapapansin nyo, yung 39 po is yung longest side, followed by 25. Yun yung sumunod na mas mahaba. Malamang po, mas malaki sila dun sa pinakamaikling side. So, yes yung sagot. Another one, 39 and 14. So, again, 39 is the longest side. Add natin yung shortest side. So, malamang, greater yan dun sa ating medium size na side. So, yes po ulit. But, dito sa pinakadulo, pag pinag-add natin yung dalawang pinakamaikling side, so 25 and 14, so sila yung shorter sides, ano po yung result? 25 plus 14 is 39. 39 is not greater than 39 because they are equal. So, the answer is no. At dahil may nag-no tayo dyan, it is not possible to have a triangle with the sides 14 centimeters, 25 centimeters, and 39 centimeters. Hindi na po possible kasi may nag-no na. Again, ang kailangan lang po, greater than. Okay? So, laging greater than. And, pwede pong dito na lang tayo mag-test. Ano po? Dun sa pinakahuli. Ano po ba yung pinakahuli? So, we have here sum of the two shorter sides, dapat siya lagi ay greater than the longest side. So, yan po. Sum of the two shorter sides should be greater than the longest side para makapag-form tayo ng triangle. So, how about this one? Determine if the following lengths are legs of the triangle. We have A and B. Alin kaya dito sa dalawa ang makakapag-form ng triangle? So, by choosing the two shorter sides and adding them up, for letter A, 4 and 5 yung shorter sides, and 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is not greater than 9, but 9 is equals to 9. At dahil equals yan, at ang kailangan naman natin ay greater than, ibig sabihin, we cannot form a triangle. So, this is not the legs for a triangle. But for B, ano ba yung two shorter sides natin dito, 5 and 5? Pag pinag-add natin yun is 10, and 10 is greater than 9. Since 10 is greater than 9, that means itong 9, 5, 5 are the legs of the triangle. We can form a triangle here. 9, 5, 5. Again, pwede pong hanapin lang natin yung two shorter sides and then add them up together, then compare it to the longest side. Again, yung third side na tinutukoy po ay yung longest. Okay? Shorter sides, hanapin, ipag-add, and then it should be greater than the longest side. Okay? Another one. Determine if the sides of length 12 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 8 centimeters can form a triangle. So, paano po natin malalaman kung makakapag-form nga siya ng triangle? Again, hanapin natin yung two shorter sides. 12, 5, and 8. Alin yung two shorter sides? It's no other than 5 and 8. And 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 is greater than 12. So, greater than siya, ibig sabihin, we can form a triangle here. It is a triangle. Okay? So, makakapag-form po tayo ng triangle using these measurements. How about this one? We have 3 feet, 4 feet, and 9 feet. Can it form a triangle? So, hanapin yung two shorter sides. We have 3 and 4. Pag pinag-add ang 3 and 4, the answer is 7 only. At hindi siya greater than. Less than lang siya. At dahil less than siya, we cannot form a triangle here. So, 3, 4, and 9 cannot form a triangle. Okay? So, malinaw na po ba kung paano po madedetermine kung makakapag-form tayo ng triangle or hindi? Ano yung pwedeng gawin natin? I-add natin, kunin natin yung sum of the two shorter sides, and it should be greater than the longest side. Okay? Greater than the longest side. Now, let's have this problem naman. A triangle has side lengths of 6 and 12. What are the possible lengths of the third side? So, in this problem, ang hinahanap naman natin is yung possible length ng third side. Ano ba yung pwedeng gamitin as value of x para masabi na makakapag-form tayo ng triangle? Are we going to do trial and error para lang makuha yung mga measurements na yon? So, what if medyo malaki yung gap ng mga lengths ng sides na yan? So, medyo mahihirapan tayo pag trial and error. So, what we need to do is to add and subtract the two given sides. So, we have 12 and 6, add natin yon. And subtract natin yon, may makukuha tayong value. 12 plus 6 is 18 and 12 minus 6 is 6. After that, we have to plug it in this inequality. So, ang basa natin dito, x is greater than, saan siya mas malaki? So, dito siya mas malaki sa 6, but less than 18. X is greater than 6 but less than 18. So, that's how we read this inequality. Okay? So, ibig sabihin po nito, mag-i-start tayo saan? Sa 7, followed by 8, by 9, hanggang 18 po ba? Hindi po. Hanggang 17 lang po tayo. Kasi once na isama natin yung 6 at saka yung 18, ano mangyayari? Again, 6 and 12 yung ating given. At kapag ang ating third side ay 6, so ito yung magiging two shorter sides, 6 plus 6 is 12, magiging 12 equals to 12. So we cannot form a triangle here. And kapag naman 18 yung ginamit natin as third side, so 18 yung magiging longest side, and 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 is equals to 18. Again, equals po ulit. We cannot form a triangle kapag equals yung naging result. Kailangan po greater than. Like for example, dun sa 7. 6, 12, and 7. So, 7 yung third side, and alin yung two shorter sides? 6 and 7. So, 6 plus 7 is 13, and 13 is greater than 12. So, agree tayo doon. Kuha tayo dito sa gitna. Ano yung nasa gitna? 6, 12. So, meron tayo dyang 13. Okay. So, alin ngayon yung longest side? Yung 13. Add natin itong dalawa. 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 is greater than 13. So, goods pa rin. Greater than pa rin. Pag naman yung 17 yung ginamit, so 6, 12, and 17. 17 will be the longest side. So, itong dalawa yung i-add. 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 is greater than 17. So, pasok pa rin po talaga yung 17. And that's how we identify or determine the possible lengths of the third side. What we need to do is to add and subtract the given two sides. And then, ilalagay natin siya dito sa inequality na ito, na ang ibig sabihin po is x is greater than yung 6 po ay difference, x is greater than the difference of the two sides, but less than the sum of the two other sides. Okay? Another example. Okay, so we have here 14 and 23. Again, aalamin natin kung alin yung mga possible lengths ng third side. So, what we need to do is to add 23 and 14, that's 37. And then subtract 23 minus 14, that's 9. And again, ilalagay natin siya dun sa inequality na x is greater than. Alin yung greater than? Yung difference po ang ilalagay natin. But less than. Saan siya less than? Doon sa sum. So, in symbol, saan natin siya ipa-plug? Ito yung x. Then, ganyan po yung symbol niyan. Ayan. So, dito yung difference. Ayan. And then, dito po yung sum. So, ano yung difference? 9. And then, yung sum is 37. So, ganito yung magiging itsura. X is greater than 9 but less than 37. And kapag nilist down natin yon, kung trial and error ang ginawa nyo, mahaba-habang lista po iyon. At ano-ano po yon? Start tayo sa 10, 11, 12, 13 hanggang kay 36. So, madami-dami po yan kapag trial and error. And mas madali naman po kung ganito na po yung gagawin natin. Huwag lang kakalimutan kung saan natin siya ilalagay na inequality. Ganito po dapat. Okay? Another example, we have 3 and 15. Anong gagawin? Add and subtract. Ayan, 3 plus 15 is 18. 3 minus 15 or 15 minus 3 is 12. Then, ilalagay natin siya sa inequality na x is greater than the difference, so we have 12, but less than the sum, which is 18. So, what are the possible lengths? So, ito medyo maliit-liit yung gap, so pwede nating i-list down. We have 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay? Hindi kasama ang 12, hindi kasama ang 18. Sila lang po ang possible lengths of the third side. Okay? So, do you have any question about this topic? So, again, we have the triangle inequality theorem number 3 na nagsasabi na that the sum of the two sides must always be greater than the third side. And para mas madali nating malaman kung makakapag-form nga ba tayo ng triangle, kunin natin yung two shorter sides, i-add natin yon and compare it to the longest side. At kailangan po laging greater than. Then, to find naman the possible lengths, again, ito po yung gagawin. Add natin, then subtract natin, then ilalagay natin siya dito. X is greater than the difference, but less than the sum of the two other sides. Okay? So, for our third and final objective, this will be your activity. Again, you can write your answer on your notebook. Then, ilagay nyo ito mamaya sa comment box below para malaman natin kung naunawaan nyo nga ba talaga yung nandito sa ating video. Okay? So, verify and solve for the length of the third side of the triangle. So, first, complete the table below by verifying if the given measurements of the sides can draw a triangle or not. So, alamin daw po natin kung makakapag-draw tayo ng triangle or hindi. Pause this video for a while and then write your answer on your notebook for these items 1 to 5. Then later on, ilagay nyo po sa comment section kung ano ang sagot nyo for these items. Okay? For number 1, we have 3, 4, and 8. Number 2, 18, 20, and 40. Number 3, 12, 18, and 16. Number 4, 7, 9, and 8. And number 5, 9, 6, and 13. And then for items 6 to 10, determine the range of the possible measure of the third side. Ano ulit yung gagawin? Kailangan lang natin ay sum and difference of these two sides. At saan natin siya ipa-plug or ilalagay? We have x and then greater than siya. Saan? Ano dapat yung nandito? We have the difference. And then less than dapat siya saan? Doon sa sum. Okay? So, again, write your answers on your notebook. And then, after that, write it on the comment box below para malaman natin kung naunawaan nyo na nga po ba ang ating topic sa video na ito. Okay? Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you learned something from this topic, theorems on triangle inequalities. And nandito na tayo sa triangle inequality theorem number 3. So again, ang nilalaman po ng theorem na ito, that the sum of the two sides must be greater than the third side. Okay, so kailangan po alam natin kung alin yung i-add natin na sides. As much as possible, direct na tayo dun sa two shorter sides, then it should be greater than the longest side. And aside from that, pinag-aralan din natin kung paano mahahanap yung possible values ng third side. All you need to do is to add and subtract the two given sides and then ilalagay natin siya dun sa inequality na nagsasabi that x is greater than the difference of the two other sides but less than the sum of the two other sides. So, that's all for this video. Huwag niyong kalimutang ilagay sa comment box ang inyong answers for this activity. And then later on, check natin kung naunawaan niyo nga ba ang lesson natin ngayon. So, that's all. God bless everyone. Keep safe and bye-bye!